Welcome back to Primetime Sports Tuesday. The Jamaica Football Federation has received assurance from Concacaf that the FIFA Intercontinental World Cup playoffs will still go ahead in Mexico in March, despite the upsurge of violence in parts of that country over the last 2 days. Jeremy Brown reports.
The outbreak of violence in parts of Mexico, including the city of Guadalajara, following the killing of drug lord Nemesio Oseguera El Muncho on Sunday, has led to concerns about the staging of the FIFA Intercontinental World Cup playoffs in March. The FIFA Intercontinental playoffs are scheduled to be held in Guadalajara and Monterrey on March 26 and 31. Jamaica, New Caledonia, and the Democratic Republic of Congo are scheduled for Pathway 1 in Guadalajara, while Bolivia, Suriname, and Iraq are slated for Pathway 2 in Monterrey. TVJ Sports caught up with JFF President Michael Ricketts, and he said the issue at this point is deeply concerning.
We are still very cautious, still a little bit nervous, because we want to ensure that best practices going down there, and we want to be given some assurance that the players and the entire contingent are safe.
However, Ricketts added that regional governing body Concacaf has sought to allay fears for the time being.
Just this morning, I had some discussions, unofficially to be honest, with Concacaf, and the word is that they're playing the wait-and-see game. Things have improved, I was told. The airport at Guadalajara has been reopened. So that in itself could tell a story that normality is on the horizon.
But despite the concerns, Ricketts noted that Reggae Boys head coach Rudolph Speed is ready to take on the challenge in Mexico.
We all know he is tough mentally. So he is prepared as long as we get the go-ahead from our parent organizations. Of course, we want to ensure and be given some kind of guarantee that we are safe. And we are prepared. The players, those with whom I have had informal discussions, are ready. And once we get the green light, then we're heading down to Mexico.
The Reggae Boys will play New Caledonia on March 26, with the winner of that contest playing the Democratic Republic of Congo for a place at the FIFA World Cup this summer. Jeremy Brown reporting for TVJ Sports.